Dear student, welcome to the Yourpedia platform. Today I am just going to introduce my new book that is a NPTEL, which is basically based on the collecting the so many good assignments from the IITian faculty, and this is very helpful for your upcoming exam, just like a GATE examination. So GATE exam also cover up the good concepts or some new numericals. So this will you are just find easily in the case of an NPTEL assignment book. Okay, so we are also launching the test series which is based on the totally NPTEL question, which will just totally focus to the NPTEL assignments questions. This will cover up and just sharp your concepts very well. So today I am just taking the question of the machining. That is a part of a production. So try to solve this. Okay, now I am going to solve this one. The question is saying that this question is into the page number 206 and a question number 33. So you can just find out this question in the NPTEL book. Okay, so I am just going to solve this question. This question is saying that the cutting force and the thrust in the orthogonal cutting operation are Fc equals to 1470 Newton and Ft equals to 1589 Newton. The rake angle is 5 degree. The width of the cut is 50 mm. The uncut chip thickness is 0.6 mm and the chip thickness ratio is 0.38. The shear strength of the material in megapascal. This type of question nearly always asked in a GATE examination. So first of all, I am just going to whatever the given data here. Whatever the given data are provided here. So first of all, there are the two forces. One is the Fc, that is 1470 Newton, and another force is the Ft. Ft is 1589 Newton. The rake angle is 5 degree. The rake angle is represented by the alpha, that is 5 degree. The width of the cut, that is B, is 50 mm. And the uncut chip thickness is represented by the T. Uncut chip thickness is represented by the T, that is equal to the 0.6 mm. And the chip thickness ratio, that is represented by the R, equals to the 0.38. That is also equals to the R is a chip thickness ratio it is a ratio of uncut chip thickness to the chip thickness IC by I. You always remember this formula. That will help you a lot. So this is just talking about the orthogonal cutting. Here I am just going to make a diagram how the orthogonal cutting is formed. So here we can just see this. This is the angle alpha, orthogonal rake angle, and this one is the relief angle. This one is the relief angle, this one is the wedge angle, and this is a formed as a chip. ये मेरा क्या हो गया, वर्क पीस हो गया, और यहाँ पे हमने क्या कर रखा है, वेलोसिटी प्रोवाइड कर रखा है. बाय दिस इट इज जस्ट फॉर्म द chip. So one thing is which is just going to differentiate between the work piece and the chip, that is a shear deformation. जैसे ही shear failure मेरा हो जाएगा, the work piece converted to the chip. So this is a chip. This is a chip. Okay. So this is this. So now I am just talking, want to find out the shear angle, that is the angle made by the shear plate, tan phi, that is equals to the R of cos alpha 1 minus R of sin alpha. Okay, so here the R is given as a 0.38 and alpha is given as a 5 degree. So this one is the 0.38 and alpha is given as a 5 degree. So solve by using the calci, because calci is also allowed here. So that is a so so the phi is came to be a, here the phi, when you just calculate the phi, that is came to be a 21.38 degree. Now you are just able to find out the shear angle. Now here it is just asking, just find out the shear strength of the material. So shear strength of the material is depending upon the shear force and the shear area. So first of all you have to just calculate the shear force. So how can you just calculate the shear force? So for that you have to use this FC and FT, and by using the merchant circle diagram. So I'm just going to draw the merchant circle diagram. Merchant circle diagram. How the merchant circle diagram is formed? Just like so this is a merchant circle diagram. If I'm just going to make the angle, this one is the F, and this one is the N, and this angle is always 90 degree, and this one is the beta, and this one is this alpha, so this is also alpha, and this one is 90 minus beta. Okay, so this one is FC, or this is FT. After that this is Fs, and this is Fn, and this angle is beta minus alpha, and this one is phi. So for that you have a FC and FT. You have a two things. One is a FC and another is a FT force. आपके पास FC है और FT है, but you have to just find out the shear force, because it is just asking the shear strength of the material, or shear strength of the material is totally depending on the shear force. How much shear force is created by the tool. Okay, so first of all just try to find out this Fs. There is a one way कि you have one value of a FC and FT. आपके पास FC और FT की value है. You just calculate the R. This is the resultant. है ना? You just calculate the R. By using the R you can just calculate the Fs, because you know all angle also. But here though you are just find out there is a one difficulty, beta is not known for you. So for that you have to first of all calculate the F and N, and then beta, and then Fs. So this is a long procedure. So whenever you have some values of a FC or FT, so just using the direct formula, which is also derived from this merchant circles, that is F equals to FC sin alpha plus FT cos alpha, N equals to FC cos alpha minus FT sin alpha. Similarly, Fn equals to the FC sin alpha plus Ft cos of alpha. Similarly, Fs equals to the FC cos phi minus FT sin phi. Okay, so you can just see these are the four formula which are using for the Fn, Fn and Fs. So in the upper two forces, I have the value of a sin alpha, Fc sin alpha plus Ft cos alpha, n equals to the Fc cos alpha minus Ft sin alpha, and when just I am talking about the Fn, it is the Fc sin phi plus Ft cos phi, and Fs equals to the Fc cos phi minus Ft sin phi. So whenever you have a value of Fc and Ft, so don't try to use this more merchant cycle diagram. It will make the question little difficult. So you have to just find out the first R. After you just find out the whatever the angle are not given here, so you have to just calculate the angle. After calculating the angle, you are able to find out the other forces. So when in other cases, when there is a Fc or Ft value are not given, so always use the merchant cycle. So this is a short trick to solve the question in a minimum step. So we have a find out the value of Fs. So Fs equals to again Fc cos phi minus Ft sin phi. So I am just going to using this formula. Fs equals to Fc cos phi minus Ft sin phi. If I am just see in the given data, Fc is 1470 and Ft is 1589 and the phi is 21 degree. So Fc equals to आ जाएगा 1470 cos of 21.38 minus Ft is given as a 1589 into sine of 21.38. So just calculate by using the calci. So we are just calculating by using the calci. 1470 cos of 21.38 minus 1589 into sine of 21.38. So this is came to be a 789.56 Newton. Now we have a value of Fs. Now we have need to find out the shear strength. So आपके पास फोर्स आ गया, अब आपको जरूरत किसकी है? shear एरिया की. आपको जरूरत किसकी है? shear एरिया की. shear एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? जनरली हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जो एरिया लेते हैं हमेशा क्या ले लेते हैं? BT ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि हर जगह BT गिवन है. बट हियर इट इज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द shear एरिया. सो shear एरिया डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द shearing लेंथ, और shearing लेंथ लेने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? BT अपॉन sin phi. So you are just calculating by using the BT upon sin phi, directly calculate the shear area. So this is a point to be remember. Here the B is also given as a 50 mm and T is given as a 0.6 mm. B is given as a 50 mm and T is given as a 0.6 mm, and sin and phi is also 21.38. Okay, so just calculate this one. So that is a 82.29 mm square. Now we have to just find out the shear strength. Shear strength is depending upon the shear area, shear force upon shear area. Shear force is calculating here, that is 789.56 upon shear area is 82.29. Just calculate this one. This is came to be a 9.594 Newton per mm square. This is just asking the question numerical in the form of a megapascal. So you can just also write in the like this 9.594 megapascal. So dear student, in this whole numerical you have to just remember the sum point. First is the shear area. The mistake should be commencement here. जो मिस्टेक जनरली हम लोग देखने को मिलती है वो हमें यहाँ मिलती है जब shear एरिया की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं तब क्या होगी. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस sin phi शुड बी हियर टू नो द shear length. Okay, and another one is that कि sometimes students are going to be confused, either they are just using this merchant cycle diagram or they are just using this formula. So always remember, if the value of Fc and Ft, tangential force and cutting force, are given here, so just use these formula directly. आपको इजीली आपके आंसर मिल जाएंगे, आपको जल्दी आपका आंसर आ जाएगा, मिनिमम स्टेप्स में आ जाएगा. इफ दिस FC and FT are not given, so always you be using the merchant this. So don't try to just find out the FC and FT and then other things. Okay, so and using the merchant cycle diagram. Okay, I think you will enjoy the questions and also the good concept here. So try to take this book and solve as much as question you can, and join our test series, which is just provide the NPTEL questions, assignments question in the test series. Basically, this test series totally combine the good question of this NPTEL assignments, which will help you in your GATE examination to improve your rank, to enhance your marks. And thank you so much for joining us.